Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. We're in the Rocky Mountains of Colorado, and it's been raining on us pretty much this whole drive. Feels like a bit of a theme with this trip.
Well, we're supposed to be driving out of it, so.
Yeah, so we are heading to Moab, and we're going to camp somewhere outside of Moab tonight. So I'm pretty freaking excited about that. Finally get to do some serious off-roading with the cruiser. So,
and by serious, we mean like semi-serious?
Semi-serious. We're not doing anything. We're not doing any of the hard trails. We might do an easy trail because that would be fun. But we're by ourselves. Obviously, we're still super new to this, so we're gonna keep it pretty tame. Mm-hmm. But
we'll see how it goes.
Yeah, it's gonna go pretty good, I think.
I hope so.
All right.
I hope nothing rattles loose.
Jesus. Okay. Well, we'll see when we get to Moab.
Does Utah always look this boring? Or is it just today?
So we just pull up to these beautiful rock formations over here. Kim looks over there and says, "You know what those look like?"
Burger King chicken fries. 100%.
Utah, home of the Burger King chicken fries. Not sponsored. You can sponsor us if you want to, though, Burger King. I won't be mad.
We like your new branding.
Your new branding's sweet.
Wind.
Oh.
You gonna go up?
Yeah, let's do it.
All right.
Kim's walking up this little trail here to see if there's a spot up here, but man, it is so freaking beautiful out here. It is amazing. Really is just amazing. I've ridden a train through Utah, and that was about it. So, oh, I know, buddy. She's coming back. The only thing is, right here, it's pretty windy. We found a nice spot back by those cliffs. Hey, I'm trying to shoot a video here, okay? We found a nice spot back by those cliffs that was sheltered from the wind. So, you know, if this isn't a great spot, we probably won't try and do this. And we'll just go back to that little sheltered spot. And we still get cell service back there. Hey! Nobody asked for your opinion. Our first spot was sort of up on that ridge over there, and it was just way too windy. There's not really much wind here. A couple of gusts, but not bad. But, I mean, holy cow. Holy cow, look at that sunset. That is incredible. I'm a little worried I rattled something loose on the cruiser on these freaking washboard roads.
We
can't air down. So we gotta fix that pretty pronto, because not being able to air down really hinders you on the washboards. But here we are. All right.
Wait.
Let's get the rating.
2.
2. Wow.
Out of 2.
Finally, a 2.
We get a 2.
We got.
Look at that freaking sunset, though.
That is pretty fantastic.
That's a 2 out of 2 sunset if I've ever seen one.
Yes. Where are you?
We're out the way. Finds the climbable routes.
I think I might come up to that rock.
Look at our sweet little setup we got going on here.
I'm making some gnocchi.
Gnocchi, huh?
I believe that's the proper term.
Oh yes, gnocchi. Oh, we got some gnocchi. Good.
Putting on a fitted sheet so it doesn't get dusty when Coop gets in.
Look at our cozy little home.
Double bed.
We're going to bed. We're tired.
Very tired. We've got the gnocchi sleepies.
Gnocchi sleepies.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. All right, we'll see you guys in the morning.
Night night.
Next week, we continue our adventures in Moab. We get a little bit of work done in town, and then we head out to Dead Horse State Park for a beautiful sunset hike. After our hike, we headed down towards Canyonlands National Park, and we find ourselves scaling the side of a canyon wall in the middle of the night. It was definitely an interesting drive, so you'll have to come back and see what's in store for us.